Hi, my name is Melissa Barnes. I've been with America's Home Place here in Conroe for nearly 3 years, and I wanted to share with you today one of my favorite floor plans, and it's our Berglund floor plan. It has a lot of great features. This is one of the floor plans that most of our homeowners come in and say, wow, Melissa, this is perfect. This is the one we want. This will fit our family. It's 3 bedrooms, oversized bedroom, walk-in closets, a lot of storage, and it just seems to check all the boxes for folks who come in. One of the features people love most about the Berglund is it has a nearly 8-foot island in the kitchen. It's great for entertaining. It's open to the family room. It's exactly what folks are looking for these days. The Berglund also features a great master suite, oversized master shower, dual sinks, a lot of countertop space, and 2 separate linen closets. Not to mention the oversized master closet. A lot of storage in this home. This is one of our floor plans that people rarely make any changes to. They just see it and say, you know what, Melissa, this floor plan's it. It's perfect. This is what we want. We build a bunch of them. We're proud of it. And people, when they move in, they are so happy, especially to feel that space and know that they made the best decision for their home, their family, and how they're going to live. To come in and visit with us about the Berglund and our many other floor plans, we're sure to have one that's going to fit perfect. Come drop by the Conroe office anytime or your nearest America's Home Place. Thanks for watching.